So before we are going to start our topic, settle down guys. So before we are going to tackle this pragmatics, let's have some about review of our previous topic. So our previous topic is all about semantics. So semantics is all about the meaning of the sentence. So when we talk about the meaning of the sentence, exactly, it is more on the structure and the meaning of all the semantics. So today, our topic is all about pragmatics. But before we start our topic, um, let's have some first a activity. This is called message relay. So I will divide you into two groups. One would be here, and one would be this. So the winner would be the next. So our topic is all about pragmatics. So pragmatics, unlike semantics, which is more on meaning of the sentence, pragmatics is the speaker's meaning. So when we talk about the speaker's meaning, so there are those languages, or there are those what we call messages that the speaker should be able to uh, relate with. So for example, this, what time do we call this? So it's 9:35. So the girl here said that it's 9:35, but the speaker's meaning is, well, he's late or she's late because of the time. So what time calls it? She already said. So when we talk about pragmatics is all about the speaker's meaning. So when we talk about the speaker's meaning, dito na papasok yung tinatawag na speech act theory. The speech act theory is more about on the actions. So according to the speech act theory, is all about when we talk about the action of the human should possibly give the message, or should probably, what do you call this, change the meaning of the message. It is not always semantically, but it's always pragmatically. So within this all pragmatics really use through communication, especially when we are having a deaf conversation with other people. And yeah, that's it. And when we call about semantics, it's all about the standard procedure. So is there any question? None? Okay. So before we end up our discussion for today, let's have a quick quiz. So thank you class. So for your assignment, please search a conversation or any conversation, poem, prose that literally gives a pragmatic meaning. So that will be passed on tomorrow. So thank you for your cooperation, guys. So that would be